Next, I'm going to hand toss my HobbyKing BF109. Now, I don't know how bright of an idea this is, but we're going to do it. Ooh, what happened? That was a good toss, good flight. Oh, jeez. Everything was going well until I turned. I like the looks of this plane too. Well, there's that DMSX receiver that I needed. Oh yeah. Of course it hits where the grass is short and the ground is hard. Well, there you go. It's probably the last flight. Yeah, oh yeah. I'm not going to try to fix that. I don't know what happened. It just started churning. Something must have broke on it. I don't know if, like I said, if a servo came on disconnected on the aileron, because once I started doing the right turn and I hit the gas, it was going pretty well, full power to the impact. Well, that was dumb. Something must have happened to one of the ailerons. That's all that I can think of. Here's where it hit. See the big hole? Holy cow. That's a nice sized hole right there. Well, darn. It just wanted to turn and it was going down. And I did a surface check before I flew. So that was weird. So it flaps up. This thing flies like it's on rails. Oh well. They come, they go. Darn, I like that one too. And I got a landing gear order for it, because this is one where the C-clip came off one of the landing gears. Now I got them all glued on. Darn. That's a nice flying plane. Was. Oh well. I bought it when it was on sale. It's a nice amp. Nice ESC. Well, doesn't look too bad up there. Well, yeah. Man, all my ailerons are on. That was just weird. That was just too weird, man. Too weird for school. Well, shoot. Oh well. There you have it. I don't think I'll... God, 109s, man. Mine keep getting shot out of the sky. I didn't even see that P-47 come over and unloose him on it, but oh well. Something happened. I know I didn't lose signal, because I had a nice steady orange light on my MSX receiver. It's just one of those things. It just didn't want to Didn't want to come out. Oh well. Actually, we'll have to see. It doesn't look. We'll have to see about the motor. The motor is good. I might put it back together because it doesn't look that bad, to be honest with you. I've had worse crashes than this. They'd have flown again. Darn! Perfect hand launch. Something happened. I had plenty of fuel. I don't think I just stalled it, but it almost like one of the ailerons stuck. Like it's stuck. Because I hit it pretty hard. Oh well. Well, not letting this disappoint me. I look at it like this. I still got a battery. I can fly the headroom again. Well, I hope you're having a good day. I'm having a good day. This isn't so bad. This isn't so bad. I've had worse crashes than this. I can carry it back in one trip. That's a positive. I just don't understand. I mean, it looked. Because I mean, everybody will say it was a Spectrum, but I don't think it was a Spectrum. It was like, once I got it in the roll, it didn't want to come out. So I'm wondering if my ailerons might have come unplugged from the board. But I haven't done anything. I mean, I haven't stressed any of my wires or anything. Maybe, because I checked. I'm losing my hat. It's sliding right off my head every time I bend over. The weight of the GoPro. Well, we need a water break. Tuco needs a water break. Sailboat, which isn't going to get any action today unless the wind picks up. Well, see, it still fits in the plane rack. That's a good thing. Well, hope you're having a good day. We're having a great day. I'm not gonna let a little thing like a crash, what others might see as a catastrophe, worst case scenario, because I've gotten a lot of flights on this thing. If I can't put it back together, I see an open space in the hangar. That's what I see. Hoo hoo, hoo hoo, hoo hoo, hoo. Do, 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 do. The miracle rebuild. I just can't believe it. That crack right there, the side, not happy with that. I lost a little bit over here on the tip. I might have that piece, I'll have to look. It's not perfect, but I bet it will fly probably nearly as well as it did before. Well, there you go.